these are the notes on mean, median, mode, and range. If you look in the center here, the center has all the data points that we're going to work with. So 62, 72, 61, 67, 67, 63, and 69. I'm going to look at mean first. Actually, before you start with mean, make sure you take your paper, whether it's notebook paper, and you divide it into 4 sections, and then put all your numbers in the box in the middle here. So I'm going to highlight these numbers. All of those numbers need to be in the middle. So to find mean, okay, mean is another word for average, okay? First thing you're going to do is you're going to add all the numbers together. So if you look down here, I added them all together. And then the second step to find the mean is to divide the sum by the total amount of numbers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I added them all together, I got 461, and I divided it by 7 because there's 7 numbers that I added together, and your average is 65.8. And remember, average is the same thing as mean. The one below it is mode, okay? Mode is fairly simple. Mode is simply just the number that appears the most. So when I'm looking at my data set over here, 67 is the number that appears twice, and all the other ones only are once, so 67 is the mode. The next one is median. Median is the middle number, okay? In order to find the middle number, the first step is a step many students miss. You have to order the numbers from least to greatest. So 61 is my smallest, then 62, 63, 67, 67, 69, and 72. Once again, I'm still using all that data set. Once I put the numbers, once the numbers are in order from least to greatest, then what you do, let me erase those marks there. Then you have to find the middle number, okay? So the middle number, if I go over 1 from this side, 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 over 1, over 1, 67 is the middle number. I have 3 numbers to the right and 3 numbers to the left. Now, if the middle number comes in between 2 numbers, then you have to add them and divide by 2 to find the middle of those 2 numbers. And last is range. In order to find range, you have to find the biggest number, and then you have to find the smallest number, and then you have to subtract. So 72 is my biggest number of my data set up here. 61 is my smallest number. I subtract them, and you get that the range is 11. Make sure you pause this at any time so you can copy these notes and take a picture and submit it through Google Classroom.